Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're talking closets. Closets fall down all the time. So if you need a super strong closet and you want to do it yourself, hang around. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. Now, when we're talking about making your home your own, we're talking about maximizing space. So what I want to do here is I want the double bar. 1, 2 bars with the shelves on the side, like just completely make it yours and make a space for everything. We're going to use this heavy duty rod and shelf support. And of course, a 1x12 for the shelf. Double bar at 78 inches. And I took an 8-foot 2x2. It just wedged it. Let's turn this guy on. I've got my Dovo laser level projecting across the room right into my closet. Bam, right at 78. Now that we got our height right, we can find our stud. That's where they tell me the side of my stud is. If that's the side of my stud, let's make sure we get it 1.5 inches wide. So that's probably my stud here. I'm gonna screw in to the center of the stud. Let's go ahead and mark it up here where our line is. Now I want my brackets to be spread far apart so they'll carry more weight. There's our side. Draw the 1.5 inches, maybe like that. Carry it up. And look how easy that was. That Dovo is a bad boy. And basically levels it for you. If you're not sure if your screws will hold, make sure you use longer screws. Then you can secure the bracket to the bar with a self-tapping screw. They've got a little cutter head on it, so you don't have to pre-drill. I'm gonna put my bar down here and leave this end open. Bracket to the wood. So that's it. You rocked it. If that video gave you the shelf confidence to tackle it yourself, go ahead and watch another video. I've got all kinds of videos that'll teach you how to fix your home or take it to the next level with the e-course. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.